Hello everyone, welcome to the official Bizistech channel. Today I'm going to present you on a very informative lecture, and that is about the introduction to Amazon product listings. So let's start the video. So let's move on to Amazon Sales Center of the brand. Then move on to the inventory tab, apply the filters of active, open the product detail page. So this is all about the product detail page of the any kind of Amazon product listing. So if you start from the top of the product detail page, we can see this is about the product category in which the product is having its position. Then there is a product listings images. There are 7 images on that listing, and there is one video as well. And if we scroll up down, we can see this is the section about the product title. In the down of the product title, you can see there is a brand name written on the product detail page. If you click on this brand, this will move you towards the Amazon brand storefront. Then there are multiple sections about the product detail page and the product sections of the Amazon storefront. But in the down of the Amazon storefront link, you can see there are the rating section of the product detail page, then the review sections, and the price of the product in which the customer and in which the buyer is selling this product. So this product is having a multiple kinds of color variations. If we see, there is a gold plant stand and the metal plant stand with the green and the white and the black of the color variation. If we scroll down a little bit, we can see the usability of the product, what is the product is about to use in either the indoor or the outdoor of the product, and there is a brand name as well. And with the color variations, you can also put a color in which you are going to sell on Amazon. And this is about the product detail page bullet points sections. You can add up to 8 bullet points, and you can add up to 5 bullet points as well. It depends totally on the product category. Then if we on the top of the right section of the product detail page, we can see there is a section of the add to cart. Customers can buy any kind of product quantity in which he is going to buy. For example, if suppose we are going to buy 25 units of that product, you should select 25 units and then click on the add to cart. Then it will proceed you to the further instructions and the further proceed outs. Then you can also see that there is an Amazon section about the ship from address and the sold by address. Then there is a packaging, what kind of product and what kind of details in the packaging of the product. Then there is a return policy. If your product is having a return policy, then you can also update any kind of product eligibility or the refund policy on the product detail page. Then there are multiple kinds of sellers already listed on this brand. You can also see their prices, and you can also see their offers offered by them. Moving down, this section 4 stars and above, this section is totally about the Amazon product targeting of the through Amazon PPC campaigns. Multiple sellers have different kind of products, and they have targeted multiple kinds of products on our product listings. We can see there are 51 pages so far on this section. You can scroll down or you can move to the any number of the product page sections. If we click on this start over, then it will move you towards the first page of the product sections. Then there is a product related to this item. These are the sponsored ads. You can see you can scroll up to 35 pages so far for these sections, and you can select any kind of product that you are going to buy. Moving down, this section have a question sections. This section is very important for the customers point of view, because this section, if customer has any kind of query about the product or about the product he is going to buy, then he can submit a question on our product listing. Then the seller of the product will answer that question according to their buyer's query. Moving down, this section is the Amazon product detail page, is about the brand story of the product. If you are a brand owner, then you can also update a brand story on the product detail page. Moving down, then there is a product description section of the product detail page. You can also upload a product description of the product, any kind of product that you are going to sell on Amazon. Product description should be in the way of any kind of usage of the product, visibility, and the product, how the product is going to be useful for the Amazon seller and the Amazon customer. This section is about the Amazon product description section. This section tells you about the product usability and the product details, about how the customer is going to use that product and how this product is going to be beneficial for the user. You can see this seller has used a very attractive modules to present the product and its usability on the product detail page. Then there is a comparison with the similar item section of the Amazon. This section is about the Amazon comparison with the similar items with our product. The comparison can be on the basis of customer ratings and the price and the shipping policies of the any kind of seller, and the sold by whatever the brand name is and whatever the material used in the Amazon product. Then there is a product information section on the product detail page. This section tells you about the packaging dimension of the product and the item weight and the manufacturer of the brand and the ASIN of that product and the customer reviews and the bestseller rank as well. Bestseller rank on the basis of the main category and the bestseller rank on the basis of the subcategory in which the product is having its position. And there is a warranty and support section as well. If the product has any kind of warranty and the support section, then any kind of product related things should be mentioned there. So if we scroll it down, we can see these are the videos related to the product detail page. These videos consist of Amazon seller videos and the Amazon customer videos as well. Customer can upload any kind of videos related to this product on the detail page as well. There is no limitation on the video uploading. We can see there are 3 pages of that product video section. Then moving down, this section is also about the products related to this item and the comparison. You can also compare our product with the other multiple sellers that are offering the same product on the Amazon product listing. This section is about the customer questions and answer section of the product detail page. In this section, customer can post any kind of question related to the product, whatever the question is that. For example, suppose if you are not going to find out how we can use this product, then you can also submit a question on the product detail page. Then the seller would recommend how to use this product on the detail page. You can also add up to any multiple kinds of question answers on the product detail page. You will get notified about the answers as well in the Amazon account. Then there is a customer review section of the product detail page. We can see this section is about the product ratings. The product has got any kind of ratings, like the ratings should be on the basis of the 5-star rating and the 4-star rating, whatever the ratings the product has got so far. We can see this seller has got the 4-star rating on the product detail page on the basis of the colors that customer has bought from it. The customer has posted a very detailed review on the product detail page with the Amazon product images as well. You can see there are multiple kinds of Amazon reviews. So this is all about the Amazon front end of the product listing. So let's move on the back end of the product listing so that we can see how we have uploaded these information on the front end of the product listings. So let's move on. Going back to the Amazon Sales Central, select the product that you are going to add information, any kind of information on the Amazon product detail page. Click the ASIN, select that product, and then click on the Edit tab. It will move towards you the backend of the product listings. We can see there are multiple kinds of sections on the Amazon product detail page. There is a vital information section and the variation sections, offer sections, compliance sections, images, descriptions, keywords, and the more detailed page section of the backend of the product listings. Coming back to the vital information section of the product detail page. This section is about the vital information section of the product detail page. There is a product ID on which the Amazon listing is listed on the Amazon, and there is a product name, the product title of the product detail page, and the brand name and the manufacturer name as well. You can also see there is a category of that product in which the product is having its position on the Amazon detail page. Then moving towards the variation section of the product detail page, if you are having a multiple kinds of variation on the basis of the sizes, on the basis of the colors, then you can also update any kind of variation in these sections. Then moves towards the offer section of the product detail page. We can see there is a seller SKU of that product and the product text code. If you have any kind of product text code according to that product, then you can also upload that in product detail page. Then there is a standard price of that product and the sale price of that product, and the sale start date and the end date. You can also upload that in the backend of the product listings. Then moving toward the compliance section of product detail page. This section is totally about the Amazon products that are relating to the battery items. So this product is not about the battery items, so we are not going to do any kind of information, and we are not going to put any kind of information on the in this section of the product detail page. Then moving toward the images section of the product detail page. This section is very important because it plays a vital role in getting conversions from the Amazon detail page. You can upload 10 pictures on the Amazon product listings, but it will display only 8 pictures on the front end of the product listings. You can also upload a video on that product on the front page of the listings, but if you are a brand owner, then you can definitely add a video on product detail page as well. Let's move towards the description section of the product detail page. This section is totally about the product descriptions, how the product is going to be useful for the customer and how this product is helpful. Then there are the key features of that product. You can add multiple kinds of you can add huge amount of data in this sections related to the product usability and the product functionality depending on the product. Then moving towards the keyword section, this is the backend systems of that product on which the Amazon algorithm and the Amazon, whenever the customer is going to type on the Amazon about the product, he is going to use a keyword on that for that product. If you have added that keyword in the section search terms of that product, then Amazon will going to show that product to that customers on the very top of the product detail page. Then moving through the more detailed page of that product. If you have applied the GTN exemption reason for any kind of product that you are going to sell on Amazon, then this section is very important for you. Then you can also add the manufacturing part number of that product and the model number. If you have any kind of model number, then you can add style name as well. Then you can also add the package quantity of that product and the releasing date on which you have released that product on the Amazon store. Then there is a country region in which you are going to sell on Amazon and what kind of information about the item description, item dimension of that product. Then you can also add the item dimension of that product and the packages dimension and the weight of that product as well. This is all about the backend of the product listings. After putting all kinds of information in the backend of the product listing, just simply scroll it down and click on the save and finish sections. You can see changes has been submitted. Amazon will take 15 minutes to implement these changes on the front end of the product listings. So this is all about the Amazon front end and the back end of the product listing. I hope this video will really helpful for you in creating Amazon product listing. And to get more informative videos about the Amazon, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.